I, Ananya Munshi, welcome you to the third part of the poetry Amanda, written by Robin King. In the second part, we have discussed the poetry and we have discussed the first stanza of the poetry. The seventh and the last stanza was left. So I begin here with the seventh stanza. In the last stanza of this poetry, the poet is trying to say that Amanda's mother is trying to tell her daughter that she is very moody and you can say she is very sulking. Sulking means stands for that she is irritating, nagging. While here Amanda is thinking that her mother is nagging and Amanda's mother is telling that she is nagging. So here you can see in the last stanza that Amanda's mother is telling her daughter that she is very moody and she should stop being moody. Now after the completion of this poetry, I will try to discuss the literary devices with you all. The first and the prominent literary device is anaphora. Anaphora, as you know, that it is the repetition of the same word in two or the three consecutive lines of the poetry. In the first line and the second line of the poetry, you will see that the poem, the lines begin with the word don't bite. Don't bite your nails, Amanda. Don't hunch your shoulder, Amanda. Then what is the meaning here? Don't and don't are repeated in the first and the second lines. Now if I move on to the next stanza, we'll see that did you finish your homework, Amanda? Did you clean your room, Amanda? So this did you is again repeated. So anaphora is what? Is the beginning of the same, beginning of the two consecutive lines with the same word. Second word, it's a rhyme. You will see that this poetry has a perfect rhyme. The first stanza and the second stanza, if I club them, the rhyme scheme comes out to be A, B, A, triple C, that is C, C, C. Then the next two stanzas, if I talk about, then it will be A, D, A, E, 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 and the last one is A, F, A, G, G, G. That is, you can see that Robin King has written this poetry in a perfect rhyme scheme. Let's talk about the third poetic device. The third poetic device is repetition. Repetition is what? That in a same poetry, you are repeating the words again and again. Like this word Amanda is used so many times in this poetry. So naturally it will be a poetic device of repetition. The fourth one is allusion. Now what is allusion? Let me discuss. Allusion is a poetic device in which we are talking about a fake character or some character of historical importance or a character which was really of importance in mythology, history or any other field. So in this poetry you see that Amanda is imagining herself as mermaid and Rapunzel. Rapunzel, I told you that this is a fairy character of a fairy tale, and mermaid is a lady with half fish and a half human body. This is what is allusion. Now, next one is metaphor. Metaphor is used twice in this poetry. First is emerald sea. Second is silence is golden and freedom is sweet. I will prove it to you why. Because emerald is what? It's a stone of green color. So when you are saying that the sea is emerald, means the water of the sea is shining like that stone emerald. So you are comparing that sea with emerald stone. Silence is golden. Here Amanda is feeling that she loves silence because she was tortured, continuously being poked by her mother. So she says that the silence is very, very, very precious like gold for her. Freedom is sweet, sweet in taste. She wants to taste freedom at any cost, and you know sweet is very good in taste. So that's why she is comparing that freedom with sweet. Now the last poetic device is alliteration. As you all know it very well, alliteration means when the words are starting with the same consonant sound. You will see that stop, slouching, sit, straight. Here the consonant sound of S is repeated, so it will be alliteration. So with this, we have come to the end of the poetry. With this, I hope that you have understood it. Thank you.